Hello all and welcome back in the Zep Shop. Today we are making the Bandsaw again. But before we get to that, just moments ago I was repairing a DSLR camera with my father on his shop. The darn thing had blown a tiny fuse in the PS board and it was practically bricked. But now it is considered to be ready and I thought to give it a test here. So you will have to excuse me for the perhaps exceptional quality on the next 2 or 3 shots. Man, this thing is heavy. It is giving my tiny tripods a hard time. Usually what they hold is this thing. Anyway, here is how it goes. A few days back we started making a Bandsaw here together, up to this point. Then, and all of a sudden, 2 days ago the Bandsaw was quite ready, up to a certain point. And I uploaded a video talking my nonsense about motors and speeds and all. So today it is about the in-between part, how I got from what you saw back there into a fairly working machine. Yes, you can cut with that thing. So let's get to it, shall we? Oh, and we are back to the other camera. There, nice and polished. So spiky body, this thing can also do metal.
Oh, maybe pain and sorrow, there's no tomorrow. Will take a hold of me, baby, baby, baby. All alone, won't you come along and help me? I ain't the seventh son, but I know where I'm from. have my life reclaimed, waiting, wondering all of my life, trying to love you with all of my mind. I'm the soul challenger, I'm the road damager. Now behold the cold and the straight magical. Cause the sky brings flowers and the strong grow weary. The heroes build blood in the blast of the fury. Pray on the power and pray to your father. Cause all of the grace in the universe resonate to your heartbeat and your faith. Now wake it on down. Lady, love, take me from my life of despair. Hold me closely, whisper in my ear. I got my own reasons. I love you, my dear.
So it is tracking. Not where it is supposed to be, but have a look here. So I have to come up with a way to keep my upper wheel vertical, this direction. Cause my slider back there is flexing a bit, this way, under the tension of the blade, and it is causing my blade not to track straight. And after that I have to turn it through again. It is a bit eccentric, which is why you can see my blade dancing a bit back and forth down here.
I've been far and I've been wide, baby. I even sailed to the seven seas, but I ain't never seen that something that's still not me. Pick up my suitcase, head on down the road, and baby, when I come back by then, my love might have even sold. I said, I don't want no skinny woman. A woman's got no sexy style. I want a girl with a diamond ring on her finger.
Now we have to turn this wheel through. And the way I'm gonna do this is not safe by all means. So I feel obliged to tell that you should not try it yourself. There are a bunch of better and safer ways of doing so, but I'm gonna go with the quicker / laziest.
I'ma stay all alone. We can learn to love each other and make the world sexy. Oh, maybe pain and sorrow, there's no tomorrow. Will take a hold of me, baby. All alone, baby. Won't you come along and hold me? I ain't the seventh son, but I know where I'm from. Let's head on, head on, head on down the highway. And maybe when we come back, by then you will
Anyways, I think you get my point. It is not optimal, but it works. And it has a lot more to be done. I have to come up with a way to make it sturdier. Those L brackets down here don't really help, and it has a whole lot of vibration. Then we have to make blade guides, covers and stuff. And of course pimp it a bit. Add the switch someplace here, paint it, those sorts of stuff. But for now, being just a blade tracking and running on a fairly slow handrail back there, being able to resaw a piece of plywood that tall is almost above my expectations. And I also suspect that this video is already quite long, so I'm gonna call it a day. Until next time, thank you all for being here and have a nice one.